Box Office Entertainment 2024 present ang cap din na sina Catherine Bernardo at Alden Richards.
Happening right now on Showbiz Balita.
Alden Richards and Catherine Bernardo are officially the box office king and the box office queen of 2024. Yung araw nga naganap ang Guillermo Awards para sa mga box office awards. At isa nga si Catherine Bernardo at Alden Richards sa inaabangan ng lahat sa tatanggap ng award bilang box office queen at box office king. Maraming solid Alden fans, Catherine fans at syempre Catherine fans ang nag-abang sa kanila sa event place na iyon. Nagkalat ang pictures and videos nila together na talaga namang kinakiligan ng fans. Naunang dumating si Alden at medyo matagal pa bago dumating si Catherine. Pero hindi nga nasayang ang paghihintay at pagpupuyat ng Catherine fans dahil may paayuda ang Catherine. Narito ang mga actual videos ng Catherine na kuha mismo sa Guillermo Awards.
Closing na sila. Catherine official, hi guys! Nice to meet you! Maraming salamat sa flowers kay Mama and para rin sa akin. Happy Mother's Day to all the moms out there and I'll see you guys soon, yes? Okay.
Bernardo! Presenting the trophy for the Guillermo Foundation. Our engineer Rick Santiago and Chris Mendoza.
What an honor to be here tonight. Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. So this wouldn't be possible without a very good girl. So I'd like to thank my Star Cinema family and my ABS-CBN family for entrusting this project to me despite all the challenges. To my bosses and to everyone, maraming salamat po sa tiwala. And I'd like to share this award to Peter San Vargas, my dearest P, our director. From the moment I changed your name in my contacts after you messaged me, I knew we would get along. I admire your hunger, your passion, and your vision for the Philippine film industry. I know I told you this so many times, but ulit-ulit na ako. You are an amazingly talented human being. I will always be rooting for you, and maraming salamat sa pag-guide mo sa akin sa proyektong to.
More than a decade of my career na magkakaroon ko ng recognition when it comes to the box office. So this is a blessing, and sana po marami rin po akong ma-inspire pa ng ibang mga aktor na kagaya ko na gumawa ng mga kalidad na pelikula at ang maging intention po lagi ang kanilang motivation is to bring back the glory days of Philippine cinema. Para po sa lahat ng mga kababayan natin and syempre para sa industriya na pinagkakautangan po natin lahat ng malaking utang na loob. Muli po, maraming salamat. Magandang gabi. Thank you. When she's mean, you know you love it. She tastes so sweet.